Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the part 9 video of learning Microsoft Excel from basic to advanced level, and in this video we will be discussing about the different tools that are available and their functions that are available in the insert tab in the main menu bars of the main Excel window. So in the previous video we have discussed the different tools. In the previous videos we have discussed these tools in detail with the help of examples. So now we will proceed to the insert tab, and the tools that are available in the insert tab will be discussed in detail with the help of examples for the better understanding. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos, and also you can learn the Excel completely by free. There is no charges, and this video you can access freely on my channel. And also if you want to learn AutoCAD and some other softwares related to civil and structural engineering, you can learn from this channel. So let's proceed to study and learn the different tools available in the insert tab. So the first one is the pivot table, and pivot table is a combination of two words, pivot and tables. Means in pivot tables you can pivot your data in different sorts. So, and the second one is the table, and these two tools are categorized in the table category of tools. So let me to learn the pivot table with the help of example. So let's suppose this is a table, and here we have given the names in this column of different students, and in this column this is the class and number. The class number of this guy is this one, of this one, of this guy is this one. These are the class numbers, and this is the marks that they have obtained in a subject. So this is a table, and we want to show the different the different columns at different times, either this one or this one. So through pivot table we can arrange our data and manipulate our data more quickly and more easily when we are working in a very large and complex data. So it plays a very important role while manipulating or arranging the data. So we will click on the pivot table. So you can see when we click on the pivot table, this window will open, and here it requires to create pivot table. So we will so by default it has been selected this table, and we will click on the, so we can also rearrange the table. And we can click on the OK, and also you can, here it is required to open a new worksheet or in the existing worksheet. So we have to work on the existing, so we will click on this and we'll click on the OK. So that we want to open a new worksheet, and we'll click on OK. Now this is the, so if we want, now this is the pivot table now, and this field pivot table pivot list. If we want to show the names, so we will click on the names. So here you can see the name has been now you can see the names has been highlighted. And now if you want to show the class numbers, so now you can see the class number has been now visible. And if you want to turn off the class number and show the marks, so the names and in to each name their numbers has been you can see is visible. So through this you can hide or show or rearrange the data in different sorts. So this is the advantages of the pivot tables, and this is very important and plays a very vital role while working on a complex data which is very large, and you have to find some numbers in different means to sort in different ways. Now we will proceed to the next tool after the pivot table, which is the table, and this is a simple table. If you want to, let's suppose if this is we have selected this area and we want to make it as a table, so this window will open, and when you will click on the OK, so now this selected portion has been now in the table format. And if you want to show to assign the boundaries, the borders to each cells in this table, so you will select and will then click on the all borders. So now you can see the border has been assigned to each cell in this table. So this is the column 1, this is the column 2, this is the column 3, this is the column 4. So this is the column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3, this is column 4. Now you can make any table of any size in the Excel simply by clicking on the table in the insert tabs, and you can select, let's suppose if you want to make this portion is a table, and will then click select and will OK, so they will become a table. And the next tool in the insert tab after the tables is the picture. Through this you can paste pictures in your Excel sheet. So when if you want to take pictures and paste in the Microsoft Excel sheet, so you will click on the pictures, and the picture anywhere located in the desktop or in the system you can take. Let's suppose this is a picture and we want to insert in the Excel sheet. Now you can see it has been now in the Excel sheet, and you can you can change the size of the image or the pictures, and you can also format your picture from here then. And the next tool is the after the picture is the clip art, shapes, smart art, screenshot. So these tools, this one, and this one, these all pivot tools has been categorized as the illustration tools in the insert tab. So after the pictures, this is the clip art. From here when you click on the clip art, so this window will open. You can take any clip art and can relocate to any position in your Excel sheet if you want to put this. So depending on your requirements, you can put any art in the Excel sheets. So the next tool is the shapes. Through this you can put means place any shape in the means to insert any shape in the Excel sheet. From here you can do. So if we want to paste this shape, we will click on and then we'll click on the Excel sheet where you want to locate, and you can also change the location. You can move it anywhere in the Excel sheet. So the next tool is the after the shapes is the smart art. When you click on the smart art, you can take any smart art from here. These are the different smart arts available here. You can take any one. You can take in the circle, you can take this one if you want, then click on OK. So is that here you can write the text of your own interest, what you want to write. So the next tool after the smart art is the screenshot. Through this you can take the screenshot and directly put in the Excel sheet when you click on the and then clicking on this, and then it will want if you want to take the screenshot, and so that screenshot will be automatically come to the Excel sheet. So this was what all about the different tools that are available in the insert tab. From here to here we have discussed. Now if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and in the next video we will be proceeding this learning of these tools available in the insert tab. So thank you for watching this video, and we will be discussing the remaining tools in the next videos.